Hi, this is Dr. Romy Paredes of Wellness Land Health Institute, and welcome to our lesson for today. The lesson for the day that I'm going to share to you is very simple, very straightforward, but it is a powerful tool to detoxify yourself. It is called coffee enema. It is a powerful detoxifier. So let's begin. What is coffee enema? Coffee enema is a medical procedure. It is an enema-related procedure of inserting coffee, preferably organic coffee, into the anus to cleanse the rectum and large intestines. Coffee enemas are powerful detoxifier, and it is not only intended to cleanse your rectum or your large intestine, but also to cleanse your overworked liver. In my experience as a holistic medical doctor, I have seen a lot of autoimmune diseases reverse their disease because of coffee enema. Because a lot of autoimmune disease, especially the lupus and the rheumatoid arthritis, it's actually caused by toxicity. It is an inflammatory condition in the body caused by toxicity. In holistic medicine parlance, inflammation is actually a form of toxicity. It is the body's attempt to get rid of the toxins. So this is your portal venous system. So the coffee will go inside the anus through the enema set and then up to here, there. So it doesn't go exactly to the liver, but while it is on standby, while the coffee is in your colon for 10 to 15 minutes, it cleanses your liver. It cleanses your liver. That's right. So why use coffee enema? It reduces the level of toxicity in the body. It also oxygenates the body. It gives you more energy. It improves digestion. And of course, it also relieves constipation. It has to be done when? The best time to do it is after you poo in the morning, not at nighttime, because if you do it at nighttime, you might have a hard time sleeping because of the coffee effect. So it is preferably done in the morning, right after bowel movement. As a general detoxification procedure, you can do once or twice every 2 weeks. But for those who are more toxic, for those who have more pronounced disease manifestations of toxicity, we advise them to do the coffee enema at least twice a week. Now, the how to do it. So, what do you need? You need an enema bucket. So this is the bucket, and this is the lubricant, but you can also use coconut oil as the lubricant. And this is the tube, and this is the on-off, and this is just the cover. So this blue thing, you don't have to use this one. Just you can throw it away after you purchase it, because technically it doesn't have any use anymore after you start using it. And then you need organic coffee, and then you need a strainer. Some use kacha in Filipino, kacha, or the cloth, like this one, clean cloth. So these are the materials that you need. It is done in the comfort of your own toilet, and it is DIY. DIY, do it yourself. So how do you prepare the coffee? You drop 3 tablespoons of ground organic coffee into 1 liter of water, and then you boil it for 3 minutes. And once it starts to boil, let it boil for 3 minutes, and then you simmer it for another 12 minutes. And then strain the solution and let it cool to body temperature. And once it is cooled down to body temperature, then you can bring your coffee, you can bring your enema set, you can bring your coconut oil to the toilet. You have the bottom of the enema bucket elevated only about 18 inches minimum height. You can make it higher if you like. The higher it is raised, the faster it drains. Take your time, letting the gravity force the fluid into your rectum and your bowel. And the position is you should be lying on your right side with both of your hips close to the ground. No, close to your chest, sorry. To make enemas most effective, the patient should lie on his or her right side with both legs close to the abdomen or to the chest and breathe deeply in order to suck the greatest amount of fluid into all parts of the colon. In a span of 1 to 2 minutes, most of the coffee have already gone inside your colon. And then the most important time is the holding time. For first timers, you can hold it for 5 to 10 minutes. For those who are already veterans who have been using this for a while, then they can hold it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, my dear friend, the holding time is very important because it is during the holding time that it is detoxifying your body. Why do we need to detoxify? Because we live in a toxic world. We eat a lot of junk foods, processed foods, meat, and the toxins also from the other foods that we buy in the supermarkets or in the groceries. So it is really advisable to learn some tools of detoxification. And coffee enema is one of the powerful tools of detoxification that we have been teaching to our patients for so many years already. It is safe, it is effective, and it is a do-it-yourself thing. Thank you. And once again, this is Dr. Romy Paredes of Wellness Land Health Institute, empowering you to take charge of your health. May wellness and wholeness be with you.